Hey, I'm Micro Bikes, and this is my Colt OS bike check.
Okay, bike check. Well, I got all this stuff from a contest. I won a contest on Vans.com, and they sent it to me, and I don't know, I'm mad psyched. Alright, in the front, got the Colt leader bars, 825, 29-inch wide. The Colt Vans grips, and I have fit down low regular stem that was green. I painted it black, and I have animal headset with actually white Colt Sect V2 forks, not even out yet. Wow, they're amazing. I don't know, beast. And I have a G Sport complete front wheel and a shadow peg with a fit FAFK tire. Alright, the frame, Colt OS frame, I like it. It's orange. And I have a animal sprocket with a shadow chain and fit cranks, holding up pretty good with premium pedals. And I have a BSD seat. It's really comfy. It's like a couch with an animal wedge seat post. And in the back, I have a G Sport laced to a Shadow Raptor, the Colt peg, and animal GLHR tire. I think that's it. Yeah. Stay fresh. Landed.